Tom accidentally sent a text to a stranger named Sarah. Surprised, Sarah replied with a curious message. Tom apologized, explaining it was a mistake. Sarah found his honesty amusing and continued chatting. They shared stories of their lives with each other. Unplanned, they felt a rare connection forming. Tom discovered that Sarah lived in a neighboring town. Coincidentally, both were attending a festival nearby. They decided to meet at the festival for coffee. At the festival, they recognized each other instantly. Both felt a unique bond that led to adventure. Exploring the festival, Sarah and Tom had fun. They discovered mutual interests and passions together. Evening fell, and Tom hesitated to part ways. Sarah suggested they stay in touch and meet soon. A simple text misdirected started an incredible journey.